on the previous Dog's World. Okay, everybody, my mom's coming here, so we have to be good.
Horrible! And now I have to go to the grocery store. I'll see you in 3 days. Okay, you know this band thing? It's just not gonna work. We're gonna have to find something else to do tomorrow.
Dog's World.
Hey guys, you know how we need something to do? Well, I got an idea. Why don't we go jump on our trampoline for a first time?
Okay.
Okay.
You know, this is really hard. Ow, my leg.
We fell off, man. This really hurt.
See, guys, it's not as hard as you thought. Or it is.
Well, why don't we just watch this informational video we got, then?
Okay, I concur. I suppose so. Okay.
Oh, hello, I didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome to Trampoline Rules. You'll find trampoline rules and how to uses of trampolines. Oh, didn't see you there. So here are some basic rules on the trampoline. One personal one is never jump with a buddy, don't do flips, and the one I learned the hard way.
Don't ever wear socks. You can slip and die, or you can get dirty socks.
Another rule that's really important is dogs should not be allowed on the trampoline. It could cause them death. Oh, I saw you there. Here are demonstrations when you're wearing socks. As you clearly see, I'm wearing socks. Okay, so here, the first thing is trying to get on the trampoline. Oh, I didn't see you there. Here are some things when you're wearing socks. You might... When you are doing flips, you might lose your balance like this. Again, just a reminder, dogs should not jump on the trampoline. Oh, I didn't see you there. As you clearly see, I have a dog with me. Okay. Dogs could get hurt while on the trampoline. They are an endangered species. You don't want to hurt them, don't you? Okay. So, like, this could happen.
Accidentally was the cat.
Kick the dog. Here's another thing that could happen.
Oops, I slipped. Oh, from the dog.
The last thing that could happen is you might accidentally, the dog might get mad at you. It'll attack you. Oh, how embarrassing. I did not see you there. How to not get off the trampoline is like this. See how to get off a trampoline. I didn't see you there. This is how to get off a trampoline. Yeah. Let's go to the advanced rules now. Oh! I did not see you there. Okay. So, here are some advanced rules. Oh, I did not see you there. Let's try jumping on the ground. Good. Now let's see me do it. Did it just like you. You did it. But do not do this on the trampoline. You don't want to do that. Oh, I did not see you there. Let's try practicing getting on the trampoline. Get it! Good job. Oh, I did not see you there. Let's practice jumping.
Yeah. Good.
Job. Oh, I did not see you there. Let's practice getting off the trampoline.
Good.
Oh, I did not see you there. If you want, this is the end of part 1 of the video. To see part 2 or part 3, go to your local video store. Have a nice day.
On the next Dog's World.
I think we should see part 2.